Dear investor, Edelweiss Private Wealth Management is pleased to present you the latest issue of Investment Strategy Report for December 2016. Let's take a look at key highlights in the month of November. In a bold move, the Modi government demonetized currency notes of Rs 500 and 1000. These currency notes together account for around 85% of the Rs 18 lakh crores notes in circulation. Following demonetization, approximately Rs 8.4 lakh crores has been deposited in banks from 10th November according to RBI's data. As per the government, total deposits in approximately 250 million Jan Dhan accounts have increased to Rs 64,252 crore, with Uttar Pradesh leading the chart with Rs 10,670 crore deposits, followed by West Bengal and Rajasthan. Despite a series of controversies, Donald Trump won US presidential election, beating his closest contender Hillary Clinton. In his victory speech, Trump talked about massive fiscal stimulus policies focused on infrastructure and tax cuts. US Fed kept interest rates unchanged in their November meeting, but said that hike could come relatively soon. Bank of Japan also kept its policy steady despite once again pushing back the timing for hitting its inflation target. Post Trump's victory and his protective stance on trade policies, US dollar index rose by 3.6% since election results day. In the month of November, Nifty and Sensex showed significant underperformance relative to global indices. As expected, new 10-year G-Sec yields moved downwards in the month of November from 6.79% to 6.33%. Indian markets have suffered a temporary setback through the demonetization drive. The expectation that earnings have begun to reverse to the upside has declined for the next 1 to 2 quarters. The price correction in stock indices and impacted sectors seems to have thrown open fresh opportunities. We recommend investors to deploy 25% in equities till Nifty level of 8,200. With falling inflation and subdued GDP growth in forthcoming quarters, RBI is expected to cut rates at a much faster pace than planned earlier. Interest rates are expected to be volatile with downward bias in near term due to sudden regulatory changes by RBI in response to the way events unfold in economy in post-demonetization phase. Over medium term, we believe interest rates are structurally headed downwards due to positive impact of demonetization. We recommend investors to allocate 50% to duration strategies for a 3 to 6 month tactical play and 50% to accrual strategies for long term by locking higher rates. Edelweiss is the proud sponsor of the 2016 Indian Olympic team. Also, Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance has given a Rs 1 crore life insurance cover to every athlete of the 2016 Indian Olympic team.